Hello and welcome to day number 87 of our Travel Trader series, and today is Friday. It's a rather typical Friday. So one of the things where we see in the market is when we go up at the beginning of the week, we kind of come down on Friday because people are closing their positions, so they made some money during the week. So on Friday we're on the selling side, taking some profits off so they don't get into the weekend with any risk, especially in times like that where depending on what policies are discussed and what activities are done by government, central banks or companies might move the market in one or the other direction. So people tend to shy away from some risks, so they close it on Friday. So we pretty much knew in advance that the markets would go down. Unfortunately, internet over here in Limassol, in the quarantine where I am, is still crappy, so I couldn't really trade on it. Otherwise, there were like half a dozen opportunities today where you could short the market every time when it had an intermediate low high. But anyway, we can do that again once I'm back home, and then I will have a nicer view and can do some more of that index trading and give you the results for that. So today we closed many of our positions as well. So we closed 4 positions. First one is US dollar Norwegian krona. After it didn't look like it would go any further in our direction, just closed it down with a small win of €28.31. The next one on our list is Euro British Pound, which I closed as well. That one unfortunately a little bit too early, so that I already had a protective stop loss in there. So we went up nicely, came back down, got stopped out, then it went up again. Anyway, we made €115.48. The next one that I closed is Australian dollar US dollar, as it didn't look like the US dollar will continue to go down but rather turns around and goes up. So on Monday we might just turn around in some of these trades and make our money there. We earned €62 with that. And the last trade that I closed today was silver, as it looks like it's on a turning point. And we made converted €603. So in total we earned today €808.79. So not a bad day. And we also have one position open, which is oil, which is currently down €535.30. However, it's a longer term opportunity, so we're still happy having that. 2 new trades that I opened today. The first one is sugar, as I firmly believe that sugar prices will go up very soon. And so far it worked out. We are up €90 so far. And for some reason, I also went long in rice. So I think that the price of rice will go up further. And currently we are up €219.30 in this trade. So that's basically the news of today. Earned some money, €808.79. And our new trades are in the positive. Oil still has time to develop. So that's the news for today. And I will be back tomorrow with a new topic so we can learn a little bit more and get you into making these kind of profits as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great evening wherever you are, and I see you again tomorrow. Thank you and goodbye.